Now carboxylic acids, these are called the carboxyl group. So you have the carbonyl group, which is aldehydes and ketones. This is the carboxyl group where you have the COOH. So it's going to be COOH, and this is bonded to an alkyl chain. So if you have one carbon, so then R is going to be equal to H. So you have HCOOH here. So I'm going to show the bond because this is a full structural formula. So I'll show the bond here. So one carbon, it's called methanoic acid, and the skeletal formula, so like that. So this is the carbon. Okay, two carbons, so you have two carbons here. One will hold the COOH, and then the other one is going to be a CH3. So this is ethanoic acid, and all carboxylic acids end with the name oic acid. And the skeletal formula, so two carbons here, and one holds the OOH bond. Okay, three carbons, so 1, 2, 3. One will hold the COOH, and the rest will be bonded to hydrogen. So this is propanoic acid, and the skeletal formula, so 1, 2, 3 carbons here, and then you have the OOH bond. So this is the carboxylic acid, and this contains the carboxyl group. Let's see some naming of carboxylic acids. Now, when you're naming carboxylic acid, you will always start the numbering with the carbon attached to the double bond. So this one should actually be OH here. So that's the COOH. So because this one contains the double bond, so we'll start the numbering here. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4. When I'm counting, I can either say that this is number 5, or I can say that this one is number 5. Either way, you see that on the fourth carbon, whether you count this as number 5 or this as number 5, either way, you can see that on the fourth carbon, there is a methyl chain. So you have a methyl here. So we'll have to name the side chain. So it will contain 5 carbons. So pentanoic acid. And on the fourth carbon, I have a methyl side chain. So 4-methyl pentanoic acid. These are ball and stick diagrams, and you should be able to name any compound from ball and stick diagrams. So the red one is oxygen, the black one is carbon, and these ones, they are hydrogen. So I have only one carbon here, OH, and then double bond. So this is methanoic acid, just one carbon. This one, the second one, has 2 carbons, COOH, so 2 carbons. This is ethanoic acid. The third one, 1, 2, 3 carbons, OOH, so this is propanoic acid here. And then the fourth one here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 OOH, so this is butanoic acid. This one is a branched chain, so you have to be careful. We are going to number it. So we'll start with the COOH first. So 1, 2, 3. So from the carboxyl group, so 1, 2, 3. And on the second carbon, you have a methyl side chain. So this is going to be propanoic acid. And then the methyl is on the second carbon, so 2-methyl propanoic acid. So this was about carboxylic acids and their names.